Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the settings app and simply tap on Wi-Fi. And make sure you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. And to refresh your connection, you can simply toggle Wi-Fi off and wait for a few seconds and simply turn it back on. This can help reset your connection. And after that, next, go back to the settings and simply tap on Bluetooth. Since AirDrop uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you will want to toggle Bluetooth off. After toggling off, you have to wait for a few seconds and you can simply turn it back on as well. And once that's done, return to your main settings screen and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on General. Under this section, simply locate the airdrop and tap on it. And if the airdrop is set to receiving off, you will need to change it to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes because this ensures airdrop is enabled and is ready to use. And there is also an option to enable cellular data for AirDrop when Wi-Fi isn't available. If you see the message about being out of range, simply toggle on that option to use cellular data for sending or receiving files. Additionally, you can turn on the bringing device together feature for better connectivity. And now everything is set up. You can try using AirDrop again. You can open app like Photos and select an email and simply tap on the share button. And from there you can choose AirDrop and you can simply attempt to send or receive the file. And if it still doesn't work, the next step is to restart your phone. So to do that, you simply have to go back to the settings and from there simply tap on the General. And in the General section, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and simply tap on Shutdown. And after your phone powers off, you can simply turn it back on and test AirDrop again. And you will be surprised how often a simple restart fixes the glitches. And if the issue still persists, the last resort is to reset your network settings. To do this, you simply have to go to the General and from there simply scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And from there you can simply select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. And from there you have to enter your passcode and your network settings will return to factory defaults. And this can resolve any deeper connectivity problems affecting AirDrop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.